Congratulations on getting this far! You will now complete your test scripting, and this is an important last step for you in understanding test analysis. Let's get on with the order by adding the customer's details. Do you remember this part of the design document? You would need to refer to this information when you create the customer's details. Let's do this now. Step 4 is where we input the customer details. So the user actions will need to make sure that all the customer's information is captured. The first and last names can be any fictitious name that sounds good to you. Remember, this is test data in a partition test environment and will never be seen on a live system used by the business. Now we are beginning to create test data dynamically. Contact info can also be documented using a telephone number and email in the correct format. The customer address is also mock test data. In this example, I have invented a zip code, but on a real application, you should be able to look up a choice of addresses from a zip or postal code search engine. The date of birth can be written as any sensible date you require, but be mindful that if it makes the customer under 18 or 21, depending on the country they live in, it may prevent them from placing an order. There are 2 things to check to make sure that data does not prevent the order from progressing. The customer's details must include first and last name, contact information, address details, and date of birth. When these are input correctly, the Add TV Channels button is enabled and selectable. Step 5 is where we select that Add TV Channels button. This is a simple user action. Now we can write the expected result. The system will navigate to a screen which allows you to select the satellite TV packages. You will need to complete this before the order is committed. Let's move to the final test step and complete the test. And here it is. This is where we instruct a tester to select the sports and movie channels and then save the order. Now we can write our last expected result. There are 3 things to document on the expected result. You will need to make sure the order is saved to the system. Next, check the pricing, because you need to verify that the correct tariff has been applied for the selected channels. Finally, we make sure a job reference number is created for the job management system. For now, that's it. You now understand more about test cases, and well done on creating your first test script. Now that you have completed the basics of test analysis, it's time for you to start learning about test execution. Join me in the next lesson. I will see you there. Remember, all lessons are free, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It costs you nothing and allows me to keep creating free content for you.